Hello Nittal, my name is Bhumin Shah and today I am presenting assignment number 3. In assignment number 3, part 1 is create a console application to build a JWT token with CSAP. So first we create a new console.NET Core application named JWT Basic Authentication Token Barrier. Here we create a model folder. In this model folder, we add three class files. First is header, second is payload, and third is signature. So these all codes taken from the week 11 PPT. And now this is the code for the security key, and this code converted key into the base 64. That code we copy in a program.cs file. We can see over here. Now we run the program and then we get the output over here. I take a screenshot. So this is the key. So now copy this key and create a application configuration file, and we follow the steps. So here we can see this is the application configuration file. I copy the code from the PPT, and here this is all information for the key, and here you can see my name Bhumin Shah, username Bhumin Shah, password. So now we copy this code into the program CS file, and here we can see I change the, like here we can see the my name, date of birth, role is student. So now we have right now we have no errors, so we run the program. And here we can see the first line is a key and the second line is a token. This is the final screen for the program CS file. This is our output. So now I copy this token link and open into the jwt.io website. So here I paste the token, and here we can see the output. Unique name is Bhumin Shah, email Bhumin Shah, date of birth 1501. So and the role is student. So this is a part 1, and now part 2 is create ASP.NET Core web application to demonstrate JWT token based authentication. So first of all, what is a Postman? The API makes it possible for any two separate applications to transfer and share data between them, and makes it easier for an application user to execute action without having to use the application's GUI. So Postman is a popular API client that makes it easy for the developers to create, share, test, and document the APIs. So now go to this website postman.com and download the Postman. This is the home page of the postman.com, and here we use the get and the post method. But before that we need to make the create CSAP application to demonstrate JWT token based authentication, web APT, and JWT. So create a new ASP.NET Core web application, give the name JWT authentication token bearer, default with weather data, execute and add key encryption. So here we see this is the JWT authentication token bearer. Here I create three folders: controllers, models, services. In controllers, I add two classes: authentication controller, weather forecast. In model, app settings, authentication service, and student CS. In services, I authentication services CS. So first, in app settings.json, here we copy the code from the PPT. This is the sample key. Then we go into the controller, weather forecast. So here we copy the code from the PPT for the authentication and uh, fix the errors. After that, create the models folder and go into the app settings and copy the public string key get and set. And then when we run the program, first before that we get the run the program, we here we can see the output of the temperature, but after that we get that page is not working. So this is uh, the last authentication services page, and here we can see all the folders and the classes of the files. So now we run the program, we get the output. That page is not working and this is the error. So we copy this link and open into the Postman. So first I copy this link and then uh, click on the send. Then we get the error 401 unauthorized error. So now I use the post method, copy this link, and then I write authentication. Then click onto the body and then row, and then now we use the username Bhumin and the password Shah, and then click onto the send. Then we get the output. Here we can see the first name Bhumin, last name Shah, username Bhumin, password Shah, and this is the token. So this token we copy it, and so now here we use the get command, go into the authorization. So when we click onto the authorization, we can get the token bar over here, and here copy this token link and then click onto the send, and then we get the output. Here we can see all the uh, temperature information. So I take all the screenshot of the postman post method and get method, and this is the output, and this is the presentation for part 2. Thank you.